Hi, my Kayla crew, welcome back. So today I've got a Wantable box to share with you. This is my style edit. Yeah, I think there's some keepers in this box, so let's dig in and see what's inside. We'll try things on. Okay, I've got the first two pieces on, and boy, is this a comfy outfit that you can really dress up to make it look cute. Let's talk about the top first. This is by Wantable. It's the Hacci Dolman top in olive, extra large, $54. I think that's a bit pricey for this top. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. All right, so it's 73% rayon, 22% polyester, and 5% spandex. Now, when I pulled it out of the box, I'm like, oh, it looks so cute with a gold necklace, a pair of jeans, and some cognac colored booties. You could throw a vest over it. I think it'd be a cute fall look. They actually sent me a necklace, so we're gonna try it like that in a second. But what do you think about this top? I love the color of this top. It has a rounded neckline. I'm gonna come closer actually so you could see the neckline and the beautiful color of this top. Isn't it gorgeous? Now, I love a good dolman sleeve when it's done right. I think I like this one a lot, although I think this side is a bit more dolman-y than this side. Or maybe it's just me, but I'm not gonna walk around like this, so no worries. So the top is actually pretty long. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, so, you could wear it like that, I guess, if you wanted to, and just throw some leggings on, so you could wear it with leggings too. But I kind of just pulled it up to a length that I was comfortable with. Just kind of like that. So what do you think about it? I like this top a lot. I just don't know about the price and the arm length. The arms are kind of long. Like, yeah, so I don't know. Does it look messy when I kind of pull them up like that? Let me know. Otherwise, I think it's a cute top. The price is just what's kind of like, do I want to pay $54 for this top? I don't know. Let me show you the back of it. Before I turn the camera down, let's talk about the necklace, and we'll show you the necklace with this top because I thought this necklace would look really cute with this top. Whoops. It's by Panacea, and it's the gold hoop statement pendant necklace, and it's $42. So $42 I feel like is a bit pricey. I don't know. I know Wantable can be a bit pricey. Now, with Wantable, if you keep I think it's 5 or more items. Yeah, 5 or more, you get 20% off. So it's a longer necklace, which I thought would be cute with this top. And I loved the pendant. Look how pretty they are. So, so pretty. Some sparkle. All right, I should have taken it off of the cardboard. I took it out of the bag. I took it out of the little pouch it came in, but didn't think to take it out of off of the cardboard. All right, let's see. See, I think it looks cute with this dolman top. What do you think? Oops. And what I like about this a lot is that the same, you know what I'm trying to say? It's the same on both sides so that if it flips, because this one looks like it's gonna flip a lot, So if it flips, you're looking at the same thing on both sides. Oh, this necklace is very pretty. Oh, I can get a lot of use out of this. Cardigans, tops like this. Oh, I think this is cute. I like the length of it. Yeah, I think I might have to keep this one even though it's $42. Let me know. Oh, I think it's cute. All right, let me turn the camera down. We'll talk about the jeans, and then I'm gonna grab some booties and I'll show you what the outfit looks like styled because I think it's a cute outfit. So hang on one second. Okay, so the jeggings are by Curve Appeal. They're the compression jegging in blue quartz size 16. They're $68. The only thing about these, they're so comfortable, but they were a bit long, so I had to cuff them, but that's normal for me being only 5'2", and these aren't petite. So they are more, I would call them a high rise. Pockets in the front, pockets in the back. I do like the wash of them a lot. I think they're very flattering. I know, I don't need any more denim. I don't. So I think I'm gonna pass on these, although they're very, very comfortable. It's gonna be hard for me to put these back in the bag because they're very comfortable. I like them a lot. I do, I like the wash. There's no distressing, so I could wear these to work on casual Friday. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think about these. I'm gonna grab a pair of, I think I have some cognac colored booties down here. We'll see what the look looks like together, so hang on. Okay, so here's the look with the booties, and I think this is a cute fall outfit. I really do. So yeah, and you know what booties and jewelry can do to an outfit? Yep. But you know what? I think I'm still gonna pass on these jeans because I can recreate the same look if I kept this top or even found a less expensive top somewhere else. We'll see. I'm still not sure about this top. so I can recreate the look with my own jeans and yeah, my booties. And I think I'm gonna keep this necklace. So yeah, I really do. I really like this necklace. All right, I'll be right back with the next item. Okay, so I realized they sent me a camo jacket. Now the camo jacket is by Vigoss. It's the washed utility jacket in camo. They did size me up to a 1X. It's $88 and it's 100% cotton. So I'm assuming that's why they gave me a size up. I think the fit is actually really great. So I'm happy they did, but you know, I don't need a camo jacket. I'll pop a card up above. If you missed my shopping trip with my friend Carolyn over at Carolyn and Her Clothes, go check it out. I picked up a camo jacket. I think I like mine a little bit better too. This one, it's a little bit lighter. I do like the print of it a lot, and I do like the style of it, but mine was a bit darker. And I think mine gave me a bit more shape. I do. What do you think about this one? It does zip up and it buttons. So I'll come closer so you can see the details in a second, but it does zip. And you can also secure it with the buttons too. So you can wear it like this, and then, you know, I don't like things too close to my neck, but you can wear it like all the way like that. So it does have pockets on both sides here. And Angela, actually, over Angela Masson, she was doing a video and she's like, what do you put in these? So I don't know. I'm like, I have no idea what these were made for. So, and then the sleeves have like the button on the sleeve. So you can wear open like that. I do like that detail. Yeah, so what do you think? And then it does have, you know, mine has a string on the inside. This one has a string, so mine you can like cinch in at the waist more on the inside and you don't really see it. This one's on the outside. Again, I think I like mine being on the inside better. And I guess you could tie it. So I do like that you can give it more definition. What am I missing? Oh, does it have pockets? Yeah, it does have pockets here too on each side. So that's nice. So I gotta undo this. It's very warm. I mean, it's cold out. Mother Nature's confused. It's snowing here. Well, it was yesterday. It's October. It's too early. Yep. So what do you think about it? I think it's cute. I like the length of it too, but I don't need another camo jacket. Sorry, my camo loving friends. I don't. Although maybe I should have a backup, right? All right, let me show you the back of it. So it's cute. I just don't need it, so it's gonna go back. And I just have to say that when I picked mine up, mine was less than half of the price of this. Yep, so I did pretty well. All right, I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, next top is by Lucky Brand. It's the Printed Essential Pocket Tee in olive, extra large, $39.50, and it's 100% cotton. So they didn't size me up on this one. So I do think this top is really cute. I like the length of the top. Now it fits, and I like my t-shirts to fit. I don't really like baggy t-shirts. I think it's a good cut. I just, you know, I have to be really careful. I'm already really careful. I've said this before with my wash, like I don't put anything in the dryer, but yeah, you'd have to be super careful that you don't shrink this. You know, the only thing that I would prefer with this top, okay, two things. I'll be a little bit picky. I wish I had a V neckline, and I wish this pocket wasn't here. I don't know why. I just don't care for t-shirts with a pocket detail. I guess with this one, it blends into the top, so you really don't see it. So that's not bothering me as much as the neckline. I think it's a cute print. You know I love my leopard print, but you know what? I think I'm gonna pass on this one too. Yeah, I hope you were sitting down again. I'm passing up on all the leopard print, huh? Yep. So, I mean, I don't know. I think it's really cute. I do like the sleeve length too, but how much would I pull for it now? It's getting cold. I mean, I just told you it was snowing out. So how much would I pull for it? I guess when I'm around the house and maybe throw like a black cardigan over it, like a cozy cardigan, put some black leggings. I don't know. All right, let me show you the back. So it's cute. I love and appreciate the print, but I think I'm gonna pass. 40 bucks too. I don't know. We'll be right back. Okay, so this next top is absolutely perfect until I turn around. Let's talk about it. It's by West Key. It's a floral 3/4 sleeve woven knit top in blue yellow, $58. So the front is 100% polyester. The back is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. I don't mind that, but it's solid. And I don't know, I don't always like that. You know, I've been talking to you in the comment section, a couple of you, I should say, in the comment section about when tops are different in the back. And yeah, I just don't know. I love the front of the top. I love the neckline. I love the print of this top. Look at the pretty big floral prints. I think it's gorgeous. I love the blue in the background. Yeah, it does have the roll tab sleeve. That doesn't bother me. I really do. I like it. I think it's cute. I think the length is good. Yeah. And you know what? You could wear it with jeans. I could wear this to work. I think I have some navy dress pants that I could wear this with. So it'd be really a cute top to wear to work. But I don't know about the back. Let me show you. It's just a solid blue. The top of the back of this top is still the polyester material with the floral, but then the rest of it is just the solid. So let me show you. But like, why couldn't they just finish it all the way around? Because I would have kept it. I would have. You know, it shows I requested this top. Let's see. Yeah, I did. And I probably did, but I probably didn't see the back because, yeah, it's cute. It's very cute. And it could be carried through pretty much all year round. Did I already tell you, like, I'd wear it with white pants too in the summertime? I would probably even wear it with white pants now. I'm still wearing my white jeans. So, yeah, it's just the back. Bummer. I love the print of this top too. Let me know what you think. All right, I've got a pair of pants to show you, but they didn't send me anything to go with it. Well, I'll be right back and I'll show you them anyway. Okay, so here's the last pair of pants. Now, the first pair of pants that I talked about, I told you the wrong name. Yep, I made a mistake. So those were the Essential Skinnies. These are the compression jeggings in blue quartz, size 16. I should have known when I read the name that these were the blue quartz ones. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention, huh? $68, and I do like them. I like the color of them a lot. I think the color is very pretty. They are a good length too. They're the perfect length. They got pockets. Oh, no, they don't. Nope, they don't have pockets in the front. Do they have pockets in the back? They do have pockets in the back. You know, I think it's a really pretty color, and I've been wanting some more colored denim. What do you think? I like them. I just gotta see what I have to pull and style them with. I know you can wear them with solids, but will I pull for them? I don't know. Let me know what you think about them. I'll be right back and we'll do a recap. Okay, so I thought this was a really good Wantable box. I thought the stylist, I think it's Scott. I think I've had Scott, let's see. Oh, no, it's Haley. I don't think I've had Haley before. So Haley did a great job styling my box. You know, there were some pieces that I would have kept if I needed them, like the jeans. I know, I keep saying I don't need them, and then sometimes I just keep them, but I just can't help myself sometimes. But I also have to say, I'm kind of being picky because I've got a trend send here, and boy, it looks really promising. It's my biggest trend send ever. I've got 11 pieces to try on. So I'm hoping I can get that done today too, because they look so unique. I mean, I pulled the items out. I haven't tried anything on yet, but oh, it looks like a good box. So I think I'm gonna keep the olive green Dolman. I really like it. I'm gonna watch back and see, but I think this is a keeper, and I think the necklace, I loved the necklace. I know I just kept 3 pieces from my rocks box. Well, I'm planning on keeping 3 pieces from my rocks box. I have to check out. So I think I'm gonna keep the necklace and the olive Dolman's sleeve top. Let me know what you think. I know it's a little bit pricey. So I liked the camo jacket, but like I said, I just purchased the camo jacket, so I don't need 2. So I am gonna send this one back, $88, so yeah. I thought this was cute too, the leopard print olive. It almost has like a camo feel to it too. I know it's leopard, but you know, I like it, but I don't know if I need it right now, so I'm gonna send it back. The West Key top, I wish it was the same all the way around because I would keep it in a heartbeat. I think it's very, very pretty. And then both pairs of jeans, while I liked them, I liked the fit, they were very comfortable. I'm gonna stay strong. I'm gonna send them back. Like I said, I've got a box upstairs. I think I've got 2 pairs of jeans that, I know, I don't need them, but, so I'm gonna send these back. So I think I'm gonna keep the olive green Dolman and the necklace. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you in my next video.